Hello, dear readers. Assalamu alaikum. So today we will start from the first chapter of the book, The Art of Laziness. Okay. So the introductions. The first chapter is Life is short. Hours are passing, days are passing, months are passing, years are passing. Let's say you will live for 100 years. If you are lucky, the average life expectancy in the world is only 72 years, around 3700 weeks. It may look like a long time, but it's not. And if you are a 30 years old, you have already spent 1500 weeks. I am telling you this not to make you sad, yeah, give you an existential crisis, but you make you aware that we don't have as much time as we think we have. We should make the best use of the times we are given. We already know that and have been told that thousands of times, but do we make the best of our time, use best use of our times? Are you around with the peoples you love? Life is short for doing the thing you hate. You're not doing the thing you want to do. The regret, the regret will be huge when you are old. Imagine you are almost 80, look back at things and wishing you did something differently. You live a life how you wanted, not how others wanted. You will regret all the moment you wasted being lazy. These are very important. Okay, let's highlight these. You will live a life how you want it, not how other want it. And sitting on a couch watching TV for no reasons, spending hours daily scrolling social media with no purpose, no person who did not do the things that he wants to can be happy from the inside. Think for a few minutes. What would you regret when you are 80 years old? Here are few regrets that you might have. The first one, not doing what you love. Look at this. The second one, being lazy and wasting your time, not spending more time with your families. This is the third one. Last one, not taking care of your health and well being.